All right, we're starting off with 24 ounces of our frozen mixed vegetables. And this is all in my crock pot. Beautiful. Now I'm coming in with 3 pounds of cooked ground beef. Gotta make sure it's fully cooked. Delicious. This is gonna be such an easy and tasty crock pot dinner that everyone will love. All right, the next thing we're gonna come in with is our diced onions. These are just some yellow onions, and we're gonna use this whole half cup of onions right into our crock pot. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm coming in with my cream of mushroom. I'm using the family size, and we're gonna put this whole thing right in there. Get it, all of it out. I do have a spatula that might help me a little bit. But if you don't like cream of mushroom, you can use whatever cream soup you like. I don't think cream of chicken will meld well with the beef, but they have like a cream of celery, a cream of bacon.
Cream of potato.
Cream of potato would actually be probably the best alternative for this one. But I personally like the cream of mushroom. Okay, now to add to that flavor, we're only gonna add one seasoning, and that is the onion seasoning. And they do have a low sodium onion seasoning, so if you're worried about sodium, you can swap this out for the low sodium. And we are gonna go ahead and sprinkle 1 whole package of our onion seasoning in there. That's a lot of flavor and seasoning, so 1 package is perfect for this recipe. Last but not least, I have my Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. And we're gonna add a few tablespoons of this into there. You guys know I don't like to measure. I measure with my heart, and you guys should too. Beautiful. Once you can smell that Worcestershire sauce, that's how you know there's enough in there. Okay, we're gonna bring back our spatula, and we're gonna start mixing everything together.
Whoa, this is looking delicious.
Yeah, this is gonna be so good, so easy. And since the meat is already cooked, it's only gonna be in the crock pot for a short amount of time compared to other crock pot recipes. But let's go ahead and flatten out our beef and cream of mushroom mixture, just like so that it is ready for when the next step comes. But for now, we're gonna put our lid on and place this on high. All right, it's been 2 hours on high. Let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, it is looking steamy and delicious. It smells incredible. So now we're gonna go ahead and add a layer of our medium cheddar cheese right on top of this entire crock pot. I think the whole bag should be just enough. Go ahead and kind of just use your hands to spread it the best you can, but don't burn yourself. That looks good enough. Now we are making a shepherd's pie, so the one thing that's missing is our mashed potatoes. And I'm just using the Bob Evans, but you can use homemade mashed potatoes if that's your style, but you guys know I pick convenience over everything. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my ice cream scooper because this will help me get even amounts of mashed potatoes right on top of our crock pot shepherd's pie. The recipe calls for a family size, but I couldn't find the family size, so I just got 2 regular sizes, but I don't think I need to use the whole second container. Okay. Get a few more scoops in there, and then we're gonna spread it out so that it is just a top layer in our crock pot. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our spatula and get it from edge to edge. I remember my mom making me shepherd's pie as a kid, and I loved it so much. I just wanted to try this recipe out in the crock pot because it is gonna make it super easy and delicious.
Look at how velvety smooth those mashed potatoes are.
Oh yeah, that's why I love the Bob Evans.
Someone called Bob Evans, he's doing it.
I don't know why anyone would hate Bob Evans mashed potatoes. They are literally delicious and so convenient. Okay, so we do wanna let that cheese melt and our mashed potatoes heat up, so we're gonna keep this on high for about 1 more hour. All right, so that 1 hour has come and gone. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm and check it out. Ooh,
Nice and steamy.
it smells incredible, you guys. It started bubbling over. That's how you know it is ready. Let's go ahead and dig into our crock pot shepherd's pie. that looks incredible!
Looks so good.
Oh, the perfect shepherd's pie. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this.
Is it good?
So good, you guys. You gotta try it.